Today, I'm going to show you my new Notion template, the Skill Builder OS. This template is for anybody that's learning something new, and this is for you to organize your learning and empower you to learn things faster. This is your homepage. On the left side, you will find a quick add menu where you can add a new skill, a new practice session, a new task, and a new note. And under it, you have your main menu, where you can dive deeper into your skills library, your practice hub, notes, and resources, and if you want to, have a peek into the back end of how the template works. On your homepage, you're going to see your practice hub, where you're going to be able to see your sessions and your tasks, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see what skills are you working on at the moment. If you scroll down, you're going to see a timeline view of all the skills that you're working on at the moment. If we scroll up, let's start by adding a new skill. I can click on the button here and add a new skill, arts and drawing. For the total time spent, it's going to update automatically the more time you spend practicing your skill, as well as the skill level. So you don't need to touch this. You can add a start date and a category. Inside your skills view, you can also add tasks, practice sessions, notes, and resources. For the resources, I really recommend you use the Save in Notion Chrome extension so that you can save anything from videos, podcasts, articles, and even websites and applications. If you scroll further, you will have a calendar view of all your tasks for the week. Let's go back to the homepage. Here, now that we have added a new skill, we can also add a new practice session. I just click the button here. The title is selected by default. I can choose my skill here, art and drawing, and start practicing. This is designed to reduce friction so that you can focus on what matters most to you, which is learning skills faster. Inside the session, you can add the focus for today, add new notes and observations. Fairly simple. If we go back to the homepage, once you have ended a session or finished practicing, you can just simply end the session from the practice hub. Let's say I want to end this session. I just click the button. It now says it's not active. And as you can see, now my Korean skills practice says that I have spent 12 minutes practicing Korean. Additional to that, you can always add tasks and notes. You can go to your skills library where you are going to see a more in-depth overview of all your skills, your progress, and your timelines. You can go to the practice hub where you're going to see a more in-depth view of today's tasks, overdue, tomorrow, and your tasks for the week, as well as your sessions for today. You can also go to the notes where you can see all the notes that you have taken today, this week, and a general overview of all the notes that you have taken throughout time. And finally, you can go to resources where you're going to see all the resources that you have captured using the Chrome extension, and you can see them sorted by articles, videos, podcasts, tweets, websites, applications, and you can add even more types to your resources. That's everything. Hope you like it. Please reach out if you have any questions.